All right, welcome to lesson 1.3. We've talked a lot about the big ideas behind AI, but you know what? Today's the day we move from theory to practice. We're going to get our hands on the tool that's really changing the game for so many of us, ChatGPT. And the best part, this isn't about learning to code. It's about learning to have a conversation, which is, well, it's a completely revolutionary way to think about it. So, I've got to ask, are you ready for this? Because today, right now, you're going to have your very first successful conversation with an AI. And I promise it's way easier than you probably think. This is that first big step, the one that starts to unlock some serious productivity. Okay, let's dive right in. The goal here is to make this first interaction a real success, because what you're about to do is meet what could become your new AI co-pilot. So what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, let's keep it simple. It's a really powerful AI that's built to do one thing incredibly well: understand what you type and then generate a response that sounds, well, human. That's the magic. There's no complex code you need to know, no confusing jargon. It's just a conversation. You know, the best way to wrap your head around it is to think of it like this. Imagine you have this super knowledgeable assistant. They're on standby for you, 24/7. They're pretty much an expert in, well, almost everything, and they're just waiting to help you with whatever you need. So what can this assistant actually do for you in your day-to-day? Well, think about it. It can answer those tricky questions that pop up, help you brainstorm ideas when you're stuck, draft entire emails or reports for you. It can even take a super long document and summarize it for you in just a few seconds. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's talk about getting you set up. I know, the word set up might sound a little technical, but trust me, this is anything but. It's super straightforward, and you're going to be up and running in literally just a couple of minutes. It really is just 3 simple steps. First thing, just pop open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Second, you'll see a sign up button. Go ahead and click that. It'll walk you through a couple of quick steps. Honestly, you can probably just use your Google or work email to make it super fast. And third, that's it. You'll land right on this clean, simple chat window. You're officially in. Now, you're going to hear this word prompt a lot. An instruction you give to an AI is called a prompt. But please, don't let that word scare you. It's just a fancy term for what you type in the box. Seriously, think of it just like you're sending a text message or a quick chat to a coworker. You just type what you want and hit enter. And that brings us to the big moment, what we could call your hello world moment. It is time to write your very first prompt and get your very first response directly from an AI. So let's be super clear about our goal for this session. It's a simple one. By the time we're done here, you will have created an account and you will have executed one simple prompt to get a useful, relevant response. That's our target. That's the win for today. You ready to do this? Okay. In that chat window that's open on your screen, I want you to type this, word for word. Hello, AI. Please tell me one interesting fact about the history of coffee. Go ahead, type that in and press enter. I'll give you a second. And there you go. How about that? Congratulations. You did it. You have just successfully given an instruction to an AI and gotten a unique response back. That means you've officially hit our goal for today. I know it feels like a small step, but believe me, it's a really significant one. Okay, so you've had your first taste of what this can do. Now, let's connect the dots. How do we get from asking for a fun fact about coffee to actually using this to transform your daily workflow? That's the real question, isn't it? Well, this slide, right here, this is the leap you're about to make. See, the exact same skill you just used to ask about coffee, that is what you're going to use to draft a professional email. It's what you'll use to brainstorm new ideas for a project or to get a quick summary of a long report. It's the exact same simple action, just pointed at bigger, more powerful professional tasks. Honestly, by taking this one little step today, you are already well on your way to making AI a natural part of your work life. Think of it as your new favorite and maybe most efficient coworker. So you've officially opened the lines of communication. The conversation has started. The only question left is, what are you going to accomplish first?